In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove minimum age restrictions on Instagram in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From your home screen, open Instagram. Now your account should be professional. If it's not, then you have to switch your account to professional. For this, you have to click on profile icon from bottom right corner. Now click on these three lines. Here scroll down and in for professional section, click on account types and tools. Here click on switch to professional account. Now follow the instruction to switch it to professional account. After this again, from profile tab, you have to click on these three lines. Here scroll down and in for professional section, you have to click on creator tools and controls. Here just click on minimum age. From here you have to click on remove to remove minimum age restrictions. Then click on this tick, and if you want to add age limit or restriction, then you have to click on add. Then enter the age you want to restrict. Then click on this tick. That's it. So that's how you can remove minimum age restriction on Instagram in just few easy steps.